What a day we've had weather-wise. It's just one thing after another. Steve Pierce joins us now, and right now, it looks like you got a blizzard going on up at Mount Hood.
It's scary weather to go along with that last thing from Core there. Yeah, Mount Hood Meadows camera. Boy, it is just coming down there with sideways snow, almost like a blizzard up there. As the snow showers continue, they're pushing down to about 4,500 feet. This is at Mount Hood Meadows, of course, which is the base is about 5,300 feet. I expect that to continue this evening. They'll pick up a couple of inches there coming up. So cold there. Hey, wind gusts today. I want to talk about this as well. Most of the gusts out along the coast between 50 and 60 miles per hour, about what we expected, with some exposed headlands up closer to 70 miles an hour. But the Salem report at 53 and the Aurora at 51 miles per hour. Now, those are pretty robust for the month of October, all because of that line of severe thunderstorms that moved through the metro area and up into southwest Washington. There's the airport at 44, Kelso at 37. So a breezy day, but it's starting to calm down along the coast out there this evening. 57 degrees, just a few passing showers out there. There are more to come, though. As we look into the metro area here, 58 degrees now, 43 is the dew point, and south-southeast wind at 17 miles per hour. We're going to have passing showers throughout the evening tonight. There's that band of moisture you see up against the Cascades. That's what's pushing up to Mount Hood Meadows right now, creating the snow that we saw on that camera there. But as we widen out the satellite and radar, big pinwheeling storm out there. This is the bomb cyclone that we've been talking about for the past few days. If that had formed a little further south and raced right up the coast like this, that would have been a major windstorm for the Pacific Northwest. But this is a large, deep storm, and it's not moving very quickly either. So it's going to stick around and rotate these bands of moisture. I see a few scattered thunderstorms off the coast. That'll push inland this evening, overnight tomorrow. We'll be dealing with this for the next 2 days or so. So Vancouver and Portland, about 0.2 of an inch since midnight, but heavier totals on the west side of the metro area. Hillsborough, over a ½ an inch. We'll see more of that coming up tonight. Cool daytime high today, 61, but that's right at normal for the date. Low temperature, 53. And let's see, yeah, weather alerts, boy, we've still got a whole slew of them. We've got a wind advisory up in the northern end of the Willamette Valley, northern and central end of the Willamette Valley. Gusts up to 30, 40 miles per hour still overnight tonight. Wind advisory also over in southeast Oregon. Then along the coast, boy, coastal flood warning. We've got a high wind warning that's still rolling until 9 a.m. tomorrow. A storm warning offshore. High seas as well, 20, 25 feet. Thunderstorm potential, yep, maybe again tomorrow as well along the coast. Isolated chances as well as into the western edge of the valley. So we'll move this cloud and rain forecast ahead. You see, it continues to pinwheel and just send bands of moisture in over the Pacific Northwest. Here's Tuesday at 5 o'clock. So we've got a lot of rain coming, a lot of unsettled weather, scattered showers. So we'll call it on the 7-day forecast, showers with a chance of a thunderstorm. Tomorrow we'll go 58. And then Tuesday, rain returns, another system, 57. Rain continues on Wednesday. But notice we start to dry out, Wayne, as we get to the end of the week. And the all-important weekend, next Sunday, that's Halloween. Looks like we could be dry at this point.
Well, that would be nice at the end of all this. Yeah. Thank you, Steve. Next, after